How to delete additional profile on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Facebook, click on three lines at the top right. In here, scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Account Center at the top. After you click on Account Center, click on Personal Details located at the bottom. Simply click on Personal Details and click on Account Ownership and Control. Click on Deactivation or Deletion. Then select for your Facebook. After you have selected your Facebook, simply press on Delete Account and continue. Press on Continue again and then select Reason and press on Continue. After you've selected the reason, scroll down and again press on Continue. After that, you will need to add your Facebook password and press on Continue. After you've added your Facebook password, you will need to confirm it for the last time and your additional account will be deleted. This is how to delete additional profile on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.